Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get Spotify Premium student discount. So, first thing, you open your browser and you search for Spotify student. Then you open the first website. After that, they will ask you to choose Get Premium. And then you need to verify that you are a student. You just select Next. You fill out your info. Okay, as you can see, in my case, I already having this discount. I will show you in my other account, but for you, you will get the discount after selecting next. As you can see, you should have this page when you select continue. This is my other Spotify account where I have student discount. If you like the video, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.